Welcome guys to Agriculture Engineering. In the series of Gist of Agriculture Engineering, today we are going to discuss about useful life of farm machinery. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get new updates of every new video. So what is the importance of knowing the life of a machinery? So first one is the depreciation value. The depreciation value is the decreasing amount in the cost of machinery as time passes. That is, if you want to purchase any second hand tractor, how you can define is its value. So the life of the tractor must be known to you, so you can define the depreciation value, that is cost of machinery reducing with time. Then life cycle, as we know lifespan of the machinery, we can um, function it with our objectives. Then estimated cost of work, when we calculate estimated cost of work, the lifespan matters a lot as maintenance cost is depends on it. Then life efficiency and maintenance, as maintenance should be regularly and sequentially done after defined order, the lifespan of the machinery should be considered. So all the lifespan of important machineries and instruments are encoded in Indian standards 9164 and 1979. So if you want to read further, you can refer this codes of Indian standards. We will start now with every individual machinery with their lifespan, their field efficiency and their average speeds. First one is tractor. The useful life of tractor is 10,000 hours, that is in years 10 years. We have average speed of tractor is in between 20 to 25 km on road and 5 to 4 km in the field. Power tiller. The useful life of power tiller is 8,000 hours, and in terms of years it is of 10 years. In terms of years it is equal to tractor, but in terms of hours it is very less than tractor. Stationary engine. If you observe the lifespan of stationary engine, it is much equal to the tractor. In terms of hours it is 10,000 hours, and in terms of years it is 10 years. The electric appliances has much more life. As we know, the electric motor has 15,000 hours life and 15 years of lifespan. Chaff cutter. The useful life of chaff cutter is 5,000 hours, and in the years it is 8,000. It is 8 hours. 8 years. Cane crusher. The cane crusher has useful life of 10,000 hours and 10 years. Again, the cane crusher, stationary engine and tractor has the same lifespan. Here comes the combine harvester. So useful life of combine harvester ranging from 2000 to 3000 hours. Then in years 7 to 10 years. Recommended average speed of 2 to 3 km per hour and recommended average efficiency is 70 to 75 hours. Here given the range because the combine harvester is of two types. First one is trail type and second one is self-propelled. So we can have wide range of data. Then plow. Under the category of plow, we can consider MB plow, disc plow, indigenous, not indigenous because it is not machine operated. So any plow which is machine operated comes under this. So the lifespan of any plow is 3000 hours. In terms of year it is 10 years. Recommended average speed while performing plow operation is 4.5 km per hour. And recommended average field efficiency, when we consider about average efficiency, it is an field efficiency which is 80%. Then disc harrow. The useful life of disc harrow is 3000 hours and in terms of year it is 10 years. Recommended average speed of disc harrow is 6 km per hour and recommended average efficiency is 80%. That is, average field efficiency of disc harrow is 80%. Then seed drill. Useful life of seed drill is 2500 hours, and in years 10 years. The recommended average speed of seed drill while performing operation is 5 kmph, 5 km per hour, and recommended average field efficiency of seed drill is 70%. Planter. Planter is broad term. Under planter, various planters having different specifications comes. So overall life of any planter is 2000 hours, and in terms of years it is 10 years. Recommended average speed of a planter is 5 km per hour, and average recommended field efficiency is 70%. Then next, cultivator. The useful life of cultivator is 4000 hours, and in the years it is 10 years. Also, the cultivator has recommended average speed of 6 km per hour, as well as it has recommended average field efficiency of 80%. Then rotavator. The useful life of rotavator is 2400 hours, and in terms of year it is 8 years. The recommended average speed of the rotavator is 2.5 km per hour, and recommended average efficiency of the rotavator is 80%. Next is ridger. The useful life of ridger is 1500 hours, and in terms of years it is 12 years. The recommended average speed of the ridger is 4.5 km per hour, and recommended average field efficiency of the ridger is 90%. And the last one is puddler. The useful life of puddler is 2500, and in terms of year it is of 10 years. The recommended average speed of the puddler is 5 km per hour, as well as the recommended average efficiency of the puddler is 75%. So in this way we were covered most important implements and machineries which are used in field operations. So I have just summarized this. It is very important in exam point of view that any MCQ on lifespan of these instruments can ask. So thank you for watching video.